broken in there.
Great. Just open it.
Minimal wrecking.
Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, it's just the packaging that's wrecked.
It seems that way, yeah.
Okay. Welcome back to the channel. You're just in time for the beginning of our 64 vehicle tournament. This time around, we're taking the best of each decade, roughly. And we are going to run 8 tournaments, 8 cars each, grouped together roughly by decade. And the winners of each tournament will compete in a final tournament where the winner receives a race against the Diora 3, our current RR racing champion. All right, first 2 competitors, please.
I love this car. This is so fun.
All right.
Fancy. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They got hung up. They got hung up. Are they not going to be able to race? All right, then we're going to do it this way then.
They're both at the very edge. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. Malfunction at the junction. Yeah, they're stuck. Well, we're going to do it down here. Can you come over here and we could try to do it from the edge of the blue maybe? Or maybe past the green? Do you think that would help?
Can try.
Unless they get hung. Is it the blue track that's...
Yeah, it's too...
Okay,
they're too wide for that.
I don't think this is going to work, but...
All right, let's try it. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's not going to work. Well, these are too big for the blue track. So, hate to do it, but they're going to have to play over there with those that can't fit. So, I'm assuming, I think there's a couple more like these that they probably won't fit.
Yeah. All right. Fancy. That seems a little bit narrower, so hopefully this big boy might not make it.
Okay, we're going to find out.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
All right, so we got our first redo of the day. They're going to switch lanes. I don't remember what lane was which.
Let's try this again.
Let's try it again.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nice.
We got a winner. The Matchbox 1936 Ford Coupe advances.
All right. Next victims. Ooh, I like that. Goodyear. This is a neat looking one. All right. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Well, we got a winner, but we got a car down here. The, I believe this is the 1948 Willys Jeepster. Can't do it. We got it. Okay, so, well, this should be no surprise what the next 2 are.
Okay, we have our very American.
Yeah, we saw that recently.
And this. I do like the curve here. I wonder if
I
that
don't
will
know.
help with aerodynamics or will it make it too fast? 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Somebody's going to well, I guess that's going to receive a bye. I don't know how we want to proceed with this since the first two couldn't race. I guess technically this first car would receive the bye and these two would face each other.
Okay.
So we have, I can't remember the year, 33, 3 window. I think that's how it's presented. It doesn't have anything on the bottom. And what are we doing? This one?
Yes.
Matchbox. Or no, this is Hot Wheels. 47 Chevy Fleetline.
I really like that one. All right. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
We got a car flipped. Eliminated. We got a car winner, the three window boy. Girl. Could be a girl. Alright, so yeah, this is going to be the final of our 1900s through 1940s tournament. The Matchbox 1936 Ford Coupe. Actually, they're similar cars. I mean, they sort of appear similar.
Mm-hmm.
Against the three window. This I don't know who's going to win, honestly.
All right, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
I would call that quite an upset.
Yes.
Three window was on a roll, but the 36 Ford Coupe wins and advances to our past, present, future tournament final tournament. A lot of tournaments here in Double R Racing.